Set it up.
This is Stockpile Road, headed towards the Slabs. One of the Slabs. On January 1st, 2003.
You could say we've gotten a little bit of rain.
Anyone want to go swimming?
Yeah, that's definitely a road underneath all of
You
that.
can see how flat it is. It's crazy that it rises up so much.
There's the wipers.
Anyone up for canoeing? Man, I would love to go. If my foot wasn't broken.
It would be by tonight.
Actually, get right down here because you can see the road going. Okay.
We're coming up on another slab.
This is on Rail Fence Road.
Looks just like the last one. Crazy, huh? Some fast-moving water.